It's coming up on 10 minutes past 6, and you are looking live at a very nice Sunday sunrise as viewed by the Earth Cam in Earlysville, Hollymead area at the Charlottesville-Albemarle Regional Airport. Those high-level cirrus clouds are a sign of a hotter weather pattern on the horizon. Hello, I'm 29 First Alert meteorologist Josh Fitzpatrick. Here's your first forecast for Charlottesville and Central Virginia, rising through the 50s and 60s over the next couple of hours, already in the 80s by midday into the early evening hours. And just like yesterday, expect a dry atmosphere, low dew points, low relative humidity. And for the Shenandoah Valley, Harrisonburg, Stanton to Waynesboro, this is your specific first forecast. In the 50s and 60s for the next few hours, rising to the upper 70s at noon, and highs should top out in the low to mid 80s for the second half of the day. A few fair weather clouds, but staying on the dry side through at least tomorrow morning. Let's take a look at this morning's viewer photo coming to us from Charlottesville of a hungry hummingbird. Thanks so much to Linda Burton in Charlottesville showing us the hummingbird. If you look closely, it kind of blends in. There he is. And Linda has the right idea with the sugar water mixture there. She does not have the red food coloring. That's a good thing because that can actually be hazardous to the health of those hummingbirds. So keep it just plain old sugar water. Keep those pictures and videos coming. We love to see what's going on in your neighborhood. The easiest way to get us your pictures from your smartphone or tablet is through the 29 First Alert Weather app. So if you see it, snap it and send them our way. You may see your pictures here on the weather segment. Outside live from the top of the Blue Ridge Mountains, this is at Shenandoah National Park at Big Meadows, where we are seeing a refreshing atmosphere. Temperatures for daytime highs across the Blue Ridge will be only in the upper 60s to mid 70s for the higher elevations. So great weather today to head out to do some hiking or mountain biking. The only weather hazard is going to be a high sunburn index. Anytime we get sunshine this time of the year, the highest sun angle of the year, you can get a sunburn in a matter of a half hour or less. Dry skies will prevail on 29 First Alert Doppler radar. We are seeing dry skies win out, a few high-level cirrus clouds making for that picturesque sight this morning. But off to our southwest, it will get a bit more humid. Watching a more humid atmosphere head our way, especially by tomorrow. Dew points this weekend are in the pleasant category. We're mostly in the 50s, but then by the end of the week, we're going to be in the oppressive category with a heat wave. The hottest weather we've had since last summer is going to build on in. 3/8 weather, hazy, hot, humid, highs in the 90s. The heat index by Friday and next weekend, when the heat wave peaks, will exceed 100 degrees. With a difference in heating from the valley floor and mountaintops for the Allegheny Highlands, Blue Ridge Mountains, Shenandoah Valley, you might have a pop-up shower thunderstorm each and every afternoon, but they're going to be few and far between. Most areas stay rain-free for quite some time. Your forecast for today, highs in the 80s on this Father's Day. Fantastic June weather. Tonight, a little milder, a little more humid. Lows in the 60s. Forecast on Monday, upper 80s, low 90s, mainly sunny skies. And your 7-day forecast shows us that heat wave, 3 days or more, 90-plus heat. We'll reach that by Wednesday. The heat wave looks to peak by Friday and next weekend. That is when the heat index, the feels like temperature, may exceed 100 degrees.
And tell me, Josh, are we looking about any record highs next week?
The record highs are in the upper 90s, so we may get close to tying them by next weekend.
Thank you so much.